Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses north central and northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and far northwestern Missouri. Cities in today's slate include Topeka, Kansas, St. Joseph, Missouri, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hayes, Kansas. There are 2 marginals today, one covering southeastern Colorado, most of the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, parts of Kansas, parts of Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, and south central and southwestern Iowa. The second marginal today covers southwestern Oregon and northwestern California. Cities in today's marginals include Kansas City, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, Amarillo, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. So, going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and far northwestern Missouri. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include St. Joseph, Missouri, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Junction City, Kansas, and Beatrice, Nebraska. Now, if you look at black dashed area, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1 rating. Okay? Could be an EF1, EF2 in there, so I would say mainly, I would think the tornado threat in general is mainly between EF0 and EF2, but the EF1 to EF2 will be in the black dashed area, most likely. Areas outside the black dashed area, but still in a tornado risk, mainly EF0, but again, can't rule out something higher than that. But the highest potential for something higher than that is in the black dashed. So, anyway, cities in the black dashed area, aka level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index, today include St. Joseph, Missouri, Beatrice, Nebraska, and Atchison, Kansas. Going to the wind for today, there is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering north central and northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and far northwestern Missouri. The 15% wind risk area today includes Topeka, Kansas, St. Joseph, Missouri, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Hayes, Kansas. There are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, southeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, and south central and southwestern Iowa. Another 5% wind risk today covers northwestern California and southwestern Oregon. The 5% wind risk areas today include Kansas City, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, Amarillo, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. So, and now to today's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering north central and northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and far northwestern Iowa. The 15% hail risk area today includes St. Joseph, Missouri, Manhattan, Kansas, Hayes, Kansas, Junction City, Kansas, and Beatrice, Nebraska. There are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one covering parts of the Panhandle of Texas, parts of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, southeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of Nebraska, south central and southwestern Iowa, and northwestern Missouri. Another 5% hail risk today covers northwestern California and southwestern Oregon. The 5% hail risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, Amarillo, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is really Alright, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter today. Alright, the black dashed area has the highest potential, again, for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter. Okay? Here we have the black dashed area. So, I'm not saying the 2-inch diameter hail or larger can't happen outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger to be in the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area, still in the hail risk, mainly hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. Alright? But again, the black dashed area, highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter. But again, can't rule that out outside the black dashed area. So yeah. Anyway, cities in the black dashed area, aka level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, today include St. Joseph, Missouri, Manhattan, Kansas, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and Hayes, Kansas. So, yeah. In summary, severe storms capable of large hail and severe wind gusts are expected late this afternoon and evening across Kansas, southeast Nebraska, in northwest Missouri, and southwest Iowa. Isolated severe storms may also occur across the south central high plains and northern California and western Oregon. Alright, so isolated severe storms may also occur across the south central high plains and northern California and western Oregon. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe and affect areas today, even in the marginals, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. You don't know what the heck marginal can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight today, because you never know what a slight can bring either. And a slight is higher than a marginal, obviously. So, I will not be able to have my day 2 severe weather outlook video today because I'm leaving for school at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and I'm not gonna be getting home till like 5:15 or 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm gonna have SPC Convective Outlooks fill in for me for day 2. So anyway, stay safe and affect areas today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.